Instagram stories not working can be a frustrating experience for users who rely on this dynamic feature to share their daily moments. However, amid the temporary setbacks lies an opportunity to explore alternative creative avenues and engage with the Instagram community in new ways. When faced with the challenge of Instagram stories not working, users can embrace the traditional post format to convey their stories visually. Captivating photos and engaging captions can still deliver powerful narratives and captivative followers. Additionally, utilizing other interactive features like polls, questions, or countdowns in regular posts can spark conversation and maintain an interactive online presence. Another approach is to explore alternative platforms that offer similar features. There are several social media platforms and apps that provide options for sharing temporary content, such as Snapchat or Facebook Stories. Diversifying content distribution across multiple platforms can help maintain connection with a wider audience and showcase creativity beyond the confines of Instagram. Furthermore, this situation can be an opportunity for users to connect with their audience on a deeper level. Engaging through meaningful captions or longer form posts allows for more in-depth storytelling or fosters genuine connections. Additionally, taking the time to interact with followers through comments and direct messages can cultivate a sense of community and strengthen relationships. While technical issues can be frustrating, they also serve as a reminder to step back from the constant hustle of social media and appreciate the present moment. Embracing the unplanned hiatus from stories can allow users to recharge, refocus their content strategy, and come back with fresh ideas to captivate their audience when the feature is up and running again. Instagram Stories not working presents an opportunity for users to explore alternative creative avenues, engage with their audience through traditional posts, experiment with other platforms, foster deeper connections, and take a moment to recharge. By embracing these possibilities, users can navigate the temporary setbacks with resilience, adaptability, and an even more captivating online presence. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.